streaming again. 45 minutes late again. Like I have my schedule set 7:45, but I always have too much stuff to do, you know? Just too much stuff going on. I got a leaky skylight because I bought an old house, and that's my fault, you know? That's my fault. All right. So today is gonna be just like yesterday. Oh wait, can you? Yeah, you're good. Let me just see the chat here. Yesterday, someone helpfully told me my font size was too low, so I took it up a notch. Wait, why is there like a weird echo? Oh, maybe it's just my headphones. Let me just make sure this is working. Yep. Okay. Oh, Twitch says I'm busy? What does that mean? What? I'm streaming now, son. What? That's weird. Last live just now, even though it says streaming for a minute and 32 seconds. Oh, there we go. Okay. Wow, that takes a while. Let me turn the volume down on this. Okay, now I can see the chat. Okay. So yeah, today I'm gonna continue. Right after the stream yesterday, I I fixed that terrible modal. Here, let me just show you what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh, let me go to the thing. Yeah, so I what is this? URLs something 28 maybe. Yeah. So this thing yesterday was not looking good. This is a little better. I did like a 75% width and height, which both don't exist on in Tailwind. So that's interesting. Maybe that's why they do Flexbox. Yeah. But anyway, I can mess around with that some more, but I didn't really want to. Let me just make sure this thing is okay. Oh geez, let me just make sure I'm not like hearing double, even though I feel like I'm hearing double. Okay. Yeah, this is probably fine. If you hear Alicia laughing, that's just she's watching a show. I don't know if you can hear that, but all right. Yeah, so the goal right now is to put this in a grid, right? Probably, I don't know, 3x3 maybe, and then just do width auto instead of like I just wanted it to not look horrible because yesterday it was bad. It was bad. Okay, so for this, it's gonna go in CSS grid. That's what we're gonna do. I also moved my I can bump it up even more. Now you should really be able to see it. I moved my like side windows that were over here. I moved them to the terminal that you can't see. But don't worry, the server's running. All right. So, I also signed up for Tailscale today. I've seen it on Hacker News. Like, I'm not like a wired guard, like, expert or anything. So I was like, oh, Tailscale, it's free. You know, whatever. There it is. Not sponsored, but I just figured, you know, oh, maybe that'd be cool. Yeah. Tailscale, you want to reach out and sponsor? Yeah, we could do that. We can hook that up. No problem. To all my two people that are watching, which appreciate it. Yes. All right. I'm just gonna get into it. So this modal's here. And oh yeah, I have to say again, the modal comes from the server. It comes you click this button, that's a request. That's a request. Incredible. Yeah, you don't see that every day or ever. No one does that, probably for good reason. One thing I think is, I need to, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna test out the new version of htmx. We're gonna check that out if that's available. To what? htmx 2. Okay, well, let me see if I can just copy and paste that like I do. You know, you used to be able to do that, but now that's not good. It's not good to do that. Yeah, interesting. Okay, wow, that's looking bad. Interesting. Okay, so hopefully that works. Let's see. Yep, seems like it's working. So what that gives us is, where the heck did that go? Oh, there it is. Wow, what happened to my, what? What? That's weird. Quit that. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, I just got out of the whole project. Interesting. I really need to learn Vim, you know? I know it, but I don't know it at the same time. I think maybe that's everyone. I don't know. Maybe that's everyone who does Vim. I did know a Vim expert, actually. I was at a job as a startup in my, kind of around my hometown. This was years ago. I don't know, like 6 years. No, like 8 years ago? 7 years ago. Jeez, I'm getting old. This dude was a Vim expert. Not only that, but he hired a bunch more Vim experts, and they sort of like converted the whole company to Vim. Even like a front end person whose name's Ryan. He was using Vim, even though I know he didn't like it. He was like, "This is useless." Which, honestly, like most front end coding, like you don't want to be coding. You want to be in the no code space. You know, you don't want to be doing that. That's dumb. Oh man, the music's kind of loud. That's okay. That's all right. All right. So yeah, this now in htmx you can have you can do the target. The target is, or the trigger is, you can do not just this. You can do. Did he not document it? He didn't even document. You know what? I thought for sure that he had documented this. I have to go to Twitter for code documentation. That's the world we live in, right? That is the world we live in. Oh man, Tailwind, someone's going live on YouTube. Oh man, maybe I should do that instead of Twitch. Maybe I should do both. Stream on both YouTube and Twitch. Is it possible? Oh wow, look at that restream. Reddit's doing it, right? Yeah, I should do that. What the heck? Used it for a while. YouTube stream. Never had viewers. Yeah. Restream. Oh my gosh, I don't want this to be super expensive. Pricing, dude. Oh, free forever. Streaming to 30 plus social platforms at the same time. Wow. One channel per social. Compatible with Zoom, OBS. Zoom? What? Dude, I'm gonna stream with Zoom. Yeah, I'm not gonna use OBS. I'm just gonna use Zoom to do my streaming. God, dude, sometimes, I mean, I'm really getting distracted. I honestly, like, it's crazy how far behind, like, it was funny because I think, in, like, previous decades, companies were, like, ahead of individuals when it came to almost everything. Communication, organization, technology, tech, right? Tech was, like, if you wanted to be cutting edge tech, you would go to Xerox, right? Or was what was that stupid labs? What was that? It was some stupid Bell Labs or whatever. I don't know what it was. And you know, like Steve Jobs found the GUI. Well, so did Bill Gates, but they found the GUI that way, and I used to never say GUI. I used to always say GUI, and I think someone said it, and I was like, oh, that's a little easier. So anyway, that's what I say now. But anyway, I mean, it used to be that companies had cutting edge tech, which I guess kind of it's still that way. Like Google has some machine learning stuff, but a lot of it, in terms of, at least in software, I mean, especially in software, has been democratized, right? Like, wait, is it? Oh, okay, it's just my headphones are slow. Like they're, it's like open source has really democratized software, and like in 2025, I guarantee you that individuals, like just like people like me, not me specifically, I don't know anything about machine learning, even though I should. I know about positrons and the history of it, and I know that basically the building block of modern neural networks is kind of like just like a NAND gate or like an XOR gate or something, which is, I don't know, whatever. But I don't know anything else about it. I know that you have to like clean data and there's all this bias, but whatever. And it does, computer vision is pretty cool. I know the best thing, which is a great example of individuals, which is just what I was talking about, overtaking companies, right? Is friggin' this computer vision, computer vision. This freaking guy, PJ Reddy. Yes, like this guy is a person, right? Which, I mean, I know he was doing stuff probably in like a university somewhere, but I mean, you look at this friggin' object. Let's watch this. I gotta show you guys. Whoever's watching this, you're in for a treat. If you have not seen this video, which I think there's even a version 5 now, but I think this was the like real turning point in YOLO in terms of computer vision, real-time object detection. Right here, let me turn that stupid music off. Okay, we're gonna watch this video. we're gonna watch it. Oh wait, you can't see it. Hold on. Wait, can you see it? Yeah, you can. Okay. It's incredible. Oh, you know what? This is freaking copyrighted. Let me mute this. Jeez, this is a good song, but yeah, you gotta watch this. pjready.com/darknet/YOLO. This guy put so much personality into his projects. It's crazy. Like it's not just this video, right? Which this is the machine learning thing that he came up with. Like this is incredible. You never see this. Like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Everyone's so sterile. Like Twitch is probably a little less sterile, but even my projects, like look how sterile this is. Are you kidding? Like no wonder no one cares. It looks so vanilla. But yeah, this guy, he's friggin' legit. Like if I look at his resume here, so this is real-time object. So it got even better after this. He actually stopped working on this because he felt bad, because I think someone was using it for like oh wow, this is taking forever to load. It's worth it though. Anyway, someone was taking his object detection code, it's the machine learning thing, and they were using it to like launch missiles or something. I don't know. It's something with the military. He didn't like what he was doing. So look at this resume. Are you kidding? So yeah, University of Washington, right? Oh my gosh. Like he works for the university, but I mean, I guess technically it's a university and not an individual, but look at this. My little resume. Are you kidding? Like if you saw this resume, you'd be like, what the heck is going on? Like you would hire like I would hire this person. I'd be like, this is incredible. Like all these ponies with logos, right? Are you kidding? Like, yeah, hire this guy, you know? Yes. Like I should just copy this resume. This is like when I need another job, I'm gonna take this resume and I'm just gonna do it. Like after the 10th or so or 20th or whatever 30th rejection, yeah, like you, you just go all out. Like you should not pull out any stops. This is the kind of stuff that you find on Hacker News. This is the stuff that really stands out to me. Like I would hire this person. Like this is weird, but it's like a okay weird, you know. Um, but yeah, this is insanity. Like I bet you, no one has even like seen this. Like I bet you, I don't know, a few thousand people in the world have seen this resume. Um, maybe I don't know. We'll see. Yellow's pretty famous, but maybe it's not that famous. I don't know. Look at how sterile this is, dude. It's like ugh. I mean, it's good for scanning, um, but it's just I wish that we could go back to that old web. There's another one that's like less ugly, but it has a decent amount of personality. This guy's he's been on Hacker News like almost every single post, even though like the content is like it's not like uh really like intense or anything. It's like a few lines of CSS and there you go, right? And he just talks about it. But yeah, like it still gets to the top of Hacker News because of this website. Like they don't want to admit it. The Hacker News people don't want to admit it, but look, it has sounds. Um, you can turn dark mode. There's like animation. Even the little 3D guy becomes he's in the dark. Are you kidding? Um, yeah, like put some like look at mine. My website is what is going on? Like there's literally just a list of posts and like a little blurb. Um and it does dark mode uh when you have dark mode on the device, but you can't toggle it on and off. Jeez, I mean this is insane. Like this is an application though. Like let's if you look at the amount whoops. Sorry. Oh wow. I accidentally opened mail, which I need to delete that piece of crap. If you look at the amount of storage in this, it's already slowing. Like I can already the mouse was slow. That's how much. Look at this. It keeps track keeps track of the scroll. Are you kidding? Look at all this. So he gives me a unique ID. So when you like something, this is another example of a great example of personality. Is when you so you click that, right? It's not just like a regular like, like you hit like on Twitter or whatever. This is you have to like, and then it's like a little game, right? And then like it just shows the maximum number. There's almost no point. So I think this is how he's. I thought it was IP, but now I'm not sure. What if I refresh? I can do it again, right? Oh no, I can't. I have a new unique ID. Scene count. What if I just disable everything? What if I just delete everything from? Oh, and session storage too. Oh, I can't delete session storage. Delete. What? I could. Oh, there we go. And then I don't even. They don't even set a cookie. There's not even a cookie, dude. It's just local store. Like it's. Oh, there we go. Yeah, everything's ruined. But yeah, okay. This is IP, right? It, oh, I thought you could take this away, but yeah. Oh, there's some kind of error. Yeah. Oh, it's some kind of tracking or something. Yeah. That's why I use NextDNS. Okay. Another not a sponsor, but NextDNS, talk to me about anything. Just let me know if we can work something out. I'll just put it up on the screen real quick. So yeah, this it does cost money, but it's free for 300,000 DNS queries, which is a lot. So yeah, after you reach 300,000 queries, it doesn't do ad blocking. Oh, which might explain something. At the end of the month, I started getting a lot of ads. maybe I should pay $2 a month. $2 a month. Wow, that's for DNS resolution, dude. The internet, it's a crazy place. Anyway, so when you make your web projects, uh, put some freaking personality in there. My goodness, like don't make it like sterile. I mean, this is pretty sterile too. I mean, you don't have to go full My Little Resume, but at least put something in there that makes someone go, "Oh, wow, look at that, that's cool," instead of just like mine, which is like, it's like there's a face, and like a little emoji, you know. Anyway, um, yeah. So put some personality in there, but I should stream on YouTube. I'm gonna try that next time. I'm not like married to Twitch or anything, but yeah. Oh, jeez. Anyway, Twitter. All right. So what was I saying? I don't even remember what I was doing. Oh man, it's 8:50 already. Jeez, I'm in Mountain Time. All right, let's do this grid. Let's get this grid going. Jeez, let's. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, so I have my tailwind thingy, running too. So I have. Oh, I just started it. Thumb grid. It has. Okay, 2 columns. Let's do 3. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Let me just try with like an H stack. Let me try that instead. Oh, I really did all that. Okay. Yeah, let me try it. Man, these headphones are really slow today. I hope that you can actually hear this. Here, hold on a second. Let me just make sure that I'm actually not doing like a totally, which I have done this before, where I couldn't hear, you couldn't hear anything the whole stream. Let me just make sure this is okay. Yeah, perfect. Oh, all right. Oh my gosh. Like one stream I did, it's just literally like you couldn't hear anything. I couldn't even put after that. I stopped reposting them to YouTube, which, let's look at this together. I never look at this. I never look at this crap. Let me see. Probably got same amount of, yeah, same views. Yep. Yeah, I mean, I think you should, for the platform, right? Like each platform requires the media to be in like a different style. So YouTube would be like, I would do a tutorial, right? And it would be all professional. Like, today we're gonna, make this into a grid, using CSS Grid and Flexbox, or both. No, first we're gonna do it with Flexbox, then we're gonna do it with Grid, CSS Grid, and then we're gonna talk about you know, Tailwind CSS, just to throw out some trendy stuff. Yeah, so that's what I would do if I was recording a YouTube video, but I'm not. I'm not recording a YouTube video. Anyway, all right. Let me see. So select an image. Oh, I'm just, yeah. Let's do that. Let's just try an H stack actually, instead of. Let's see what it looks like. I wish that it would be just that easy, right? That'd be incredible. Let's see. It doesn't wrap. It's not wrapping. What? Oh, it's because I have overflow. Oh, did my? Oh man, my freaking yeah. There. Now you can see the text. Jeez. When I closed Vim before accidentally, it like ruined everything. Terrible. All right. So yeah, H stack's not. Oh, it's because it's overflow scroll. Let's do overflow Y scroll. Ugh, just reaching these things. I should come up with something different. Okay, that didn't do anything interesting. I thought for sure that would do something. I guess I don't know Tailwind like I thought I did. Man, just one of these days, I'm gonna get this stupid freaking overflow Y scroll. There it is. Overflow Y scroll. I did it. Like what? So yeah, overflow X. Oh my gosh. Like what is that? Like why is it doing that? Don't do that. Okay. Yeah. It seems like overflow Y scroll. Oh, wow. So even overflow Y. Wait. Am I? Okay. I just thought for sure that would do it, but we'll see what happens. Okay, yeah, that it's still the same. Wow. So even X or Y, any overflow seems to do it. All right, well, let's do grid. So thumb grid, and then I think I need one more thing. Let's see though. Let's try it. I think I need like a few more. Yeah, that looks terrible. Wow. Oh my gosh. We're gonna get this, you know? Actually, yeah, I'm really not keen on that. Yeah, like what? What the heck? Oh, you know what sucks is all the all the thumbnails are different sizes. How does Unsplash do it so that they're all the same? What? That you go to Unsplash, they're all the same. It doesn't make any sense. Okay. What if I take away overflow wise scroll? What if I just take it off? Oh, yeah. That's not really good. I definitely don't want that. Definitely don't want that. Yeah. Let's look at it. Maybe let's talk about it. CSS grid support. Okay. Grid calls. Grid calls gap 4. Okay, let's just try that. Maybe I have some kind of weird situation going on with my grid. Even though it seems like it should do what it's supposed to do, right? Gap 4? Let's look at it now. That is definitely not what is going on with the width 60. Oh, because I set the width. Here, let's do that instead. No width. Yeah, still not really being a grid. Still not a grid. Actually, you know what? What? That doesn't even seem. That still seems like it's the old HTML. Oh, what am I? Oh, I didn't actually update this. Wow. Okay, let's try that one more time. Because it was the old HTML. Okay. Well, yeah, that's, yeah. Let me just take out the width. Maybe that'll look better. Have I told you that I'm not a designer? I'm not a designer. It's not a good thing. Oh, there we go. That's so much better. Wow. Incredible. Why is this one so small? Like, what is wrong with this? Width 200, fit max. Unsplash needs to help me with this. Where's the API? No. Oh, I have 42 what does that mean? 42 notifications. That's dumb. Okay. I had an idea for a project. Yeah, I wonder where's the docs? It was gonna be like Nomad list, of course. It's like all my even though he doesn't really make that much money anymore from that. I mean, even without COVID, I think probably it's I'm not sure if it'll keep growing. You never know though. A lot of people want to be nomads, you know, digital nomads. They want to get paid, swim in pools, and go to Thailand. You know, someone said it's the new American dream. The new American dream is not to work at a company and get a house. Oh man, my eyes really. No, the new American dream is start a profitable software company and work from anywhere. That's the thing. That's the new American dream, which it's always been my dream. And the American dream is now my dream. That stinks. Okay. Yeah. Let's look. Content filter. Low and high content safety. Whoa, that is the most politically correct. Oh, here we go. By default endpoints content filter. No content violating, like images containing nudity or violence, will be returned in results. Flexibility. Oh my goodness, that content. What is it called? Content safety. I love it. I friggin' love it, dude. Content safety. Wow, never heard that before. I mean, then if you click into it, then you can see that it's not nudity or violence. But man, okay, so you can't. Oh wait, filter by photo orientation. Oh, you know what? This is perfect. What is a good Twitter image meta tag size? Let's look. What's a good size? Must be less than 5 megs. That's large. What's the actual dimensions though? Okay, here we go. It was card support an aspect ratio of 2:1, minimum dimensions of 300 by 157, or a maximum of 4096. That's not a 2:1. What the heck? Okay. Only the first frame of GIF. SVG is not supported. It's got to be JPEG, PNG. Okay, well that's good to know. All right. Well, squarish. What is that? Let's do landscape orientation. Landscape. Hopefully it'll look a little better. Oh my gosh, I really have to stop. Just jump lines, right? Instead of there we go. That's because the space. I mean the thing really. I can't believe they even call it orientation now that I think about it. Maybe that'd be offensive somehow. I shouldn't talk about that. We don't want to talk about that. Okay, landscape. Yep. All right. Let's look. Definitely still not right. Definitely not good. I think I have to set a each thumbnail needs to have a set width and a set height. They need to be the same. Let's look at that. They're gonna. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So some of them, yeah. That's see that. What is this? Like, why is this? Maybe I just have to do something like image, like what is it, HTML image tag crop or something. Like maybe I have to do overflow hidden, right? Cropping an image. Oh, that is the best image. This is not non-copyrighted. There's no way. Donald freaking Duck. Yeah. What a weird. Programmers are weird, you know. Just put an image of Donald Duck. Crop overflow hidden. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right. Well, what are you gonna do? Yeah, let's do that. Overflow hidden. And then width 64, and like what did it say? 2:1, right? 2:1 width by height, right? So if I do height 32, which is gonna be hilariously small. Yeah, it's not bad. What image? HTML fit to height. Let's see. Instead of object fit. Yes. And I knew there was something new that I could use. CSS incredibly powerful now. I don't know if you do not explicitly width or height to the image. Give it max width, height auto. Okay, this isn't what I wanted to hear. Object fit contain. Yes. Okay, let's look. Let's try it. I'm sure Tailwind has a style for it or a class for it. Let's look. Where's Tailwind? Oh, it's over here. What is it? Object fit. Oh, there it is. There it is. Object contain. All right. They've always got something. There's always something going on with no, that's even worse. Okay, what if I just got rid of the height and the overflow hidden? Let's try that. Whoa, hello. All right. I don't think I'm gonna get what I want. I don't think I'm gonna get, like, okay, let's go to Unsplash and type in what I'm doing. Office, right? Let's look at it. Look at this perfect grid. Are you kidding? Like, how am I not? Oh, wait. No, it's not perfect. Oh, they just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Wow. Oh, let me turn that music back on so I don't have to sing. All right, that was bad. Okay. Yeah. They just let it naturally sort of just hang out. Interesting. Yeah, maybe I will just do that. I mean, I know you can do it with CSS Grid. I'm sure you can do it. Let's do it. Let's do something a little, put a little, just a little, hanging out this side. Just not perfectly perfect grids. CSS Grid. What do they call it? Masonry. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, medium too. Oh, now you know. Actually, medium's really slow. Let's just go to dev.2. It's pretty quick. It's okay. Let's see. Square grids, container. Oh, wow. This is getting really, really intense. Content that doesn't disrupt the container size. This is kind of right. I mean, oh, pug. Oh, that's similar to what. What is pug? Pug HTML templating? Is that like Slim? Oh, it's JavaScript. Yeah. Well, never mind. We're moving on from that. Okay, grid garden. Interesting. Horizontal masonry. What is that? What's a horizontal? W3 bits. Oh, it's just. Yeah, this is perfect. CSS grid layout. If you know, Holy Grail. Demo of the image only masonry. Okay, let's see. Grid gap, template columns. Make columns adjust according to the available viewport. Okay, that's supposed to be responsive, which, yeah, I mean, maybe I should do that. Maybe. Oh, I wonder if Tailwind has that. Let's see. Grid template columns? Grid. Oh, it does. Look at that. Grid call. Oh, they already do it. Dude, incredible. It's already, right? Does that mean equally sized call? So can I can't adjust this. Responsive. Yeah. Oh, they do this. Oh, come on, Tailwind. What? Whatever. Sometimes I'm thinking Tailwind is not good for layout, like whole page layout, not like whatever. Okay. Grid auto rows. 250 pixels. Set the height. Okay, so that looks good. Adding the masonry touch. Assign some height to the implicit row tracks, which I don't know if I have that. I don't think I have. Grid auto rows? Oh, interesting. What, do they have that? I don't think they do. Grid auto rows. Oh, they do. Auto rows. Oof. Let's just do max, maybe? I don't know. Let's try it. We'll get through this CSS grid thing together. I've never used it really. I mean, I like copy and paste stuff like I'm doing now, but let's see, grid row end. You're telling the grid to make 2 spans. No, I don't want to tell it to be 2 spans. I want it to just automatically be. Fixes the height. Normally, kind of fixes the height. Grid row end property. Okay, grid row end assigns the items. Oh, we're doing some math. We're doing some math. Oh no, JavaScript, don't do it. Come on, that's a lie. Possible CSS masonry. That makes me wonder. Unsplash probably is using some kind of masonry thing. Masonry, yeah. All right, well, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? So let's look at this one. This one, they put it out of the, oh, yeah, it's like a masonry thing. All right, well, yep. Not mine. Mine's not perfect. I just looked at it now. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, mine's looking a little, I should honestly just like, what is the minimum size that they're gonna send me? Right? Like, what is this? Object contain. What if I got rid of that? That's dumb. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. Actually, what if I mess around with this? What if I do cover? Was that cover? No. Initial. Oh. What was that? Oh, that's ugly. Revert. Maybe I do want object fit. Contain. Yeah. Yeah, I do want that. Oh, that's cover. Doesn't matter, I guess. Max width 100%. Oh, they actually set max width hide auto on every image. And I'm over here just doing nonsense. Yeah. Like what? Yeah, I wonder what the minimum size is that they're gonna send me. And I should just do that and make them all that size with the object contain, I guess. Yeah, that'd be the easiest thing to do. I don't know if I want thumbs. They're really, I mean, I guess they load fast, but they're really small. Smaller than I thought they would be. What else is there besides thumbs? Thumb, small. Let's just do small. Yeah. Okay. URLs thumb. Get over there. Okay. Really gotta get faster at Vim navigation. Yeah, that's better. That's much better. Wow. Because it was kind of like blurry before, the thumbs. I think thumbs is like for something that's really small. What is this? Let's look. 156? What's this one? 100. What is that? What's the height? 100. Okay, so 156 is probably the lowest height. So let's just set the I'll just call it like hack h hack height 156 pixels. Yeah, and then overflow none. I mean, you won't be able to see the picture, but oh well. No. You know what, we'll just yeah, we'll just do that. And then for thumb, we're gonna do h hack, staying with the atomic CSS theme. Oh wow, that kind of worked, I guess, but they because I have object, right? Do I have objects? No, I don't even have it. Object contain. Let's put that back on there, I guess. Let's get rid of auto rows max. I just want something simple. Like, why can't I just say grid and then just have it be perfectly a grid? Which is, okay, so now the height is good, but the width is, let's just, oh my gosh, this is annoying. So now it's, what is this? Width is supposed to be 400, right? Or what is that, max width? Fit, max. So this is 208. Let's look at this, 277, 234. Yeah. So let's just do, yeah, this isn't what I expected. Not for sure. It'd be so super easy to put these in a grid. Yeah. I guess one thing I could do is what TikTok and them do. Just like one image at a time, one big old image, and then you just, go through them instead of a list. Yeah, that'd be a lot easier. I thought for sure CSS Grid could do yeah, not the, well, I mean, this is, yeah, let's see, grid 1. Oh, there is some kind of masonry situation. Yeah, this is kind of what, yeah, Flexbox column. Yeah. Maybe I do want Flexbox column. Yeah, this seems more like what I want. This is almost exactly what I want. This is exactly what I want. That's hilarious. And I don't care if the images go like these. Let's look at it. Flexbox column. They give it a max height. Oh, and then it wraps, right? Yeah. Yeah. Let's do that. I think, yeah, I think that's really good. Let's see. Let's just rip that off. Let's do that instead. Let's try it. Let's do thumb flexbox, flex call. Let's thumb container. Right? And then we'll just get rid of that, and then we'll do, let's just call it thumb grid. We'll just flex wrap. I'm sure there's a Tailwind class for it. I'm sure there is. I'm sure it's here because they do everything. They just the littlest property, they have it. You don't have to escape the Tailwind. You can't escape it. Just let it lift you up. Okay, flex column probably. I've actually done like something with Flexbox, so I know a little bit more. It's flex call, of course. Keeping it short, you know. Okay. Let's see. What else is there? What else is there in this thing? Max height. What if you don't have max height? Let's see. Can I edit this? Oh, edit. Let's edit. Let's go down here. Let's just take that away. Ooh, that is not a CSS comment. It's not what that is. What if I just get rid of it? Let's see. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. No, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, that definitely makes sense. Okay. Okay, so we'll give it max height. What do they do? 200 VH, which is like, what is that, 200 vertical height of the screen or something? What is that like? I don't know what that means. Let's just put that in there because it looks okay. Actually, it's pretty high. Like, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, you know what? One thing they don't have is they do not have, I don't know how I just split that. Vim does stuff like just randomly. I don't know what I'm doing, but somehow I've split it. So cool. Let's do height 50%. Let's do height. Yeah, let's do height 50%. And hopefully, or max height. It needs to be max height. Oh, you know what? They might have that. Let's look. Maybe not though. Oh no. 1/2, which is, it's an interesting trick which I've never like seen before. Let's start with that, I guess. It's the same exact, or yeah, let's make that 50%. Yeah. Max height 1/2. Oh, it's H. I just wrote that myself. Let's see what it looks like before I yeah, I'm actually better with just like the one inline thing, which is what I had yesterday versus but anyway, let's keep going. We really need to get into this. Okay, justify content start, and what is figure? Let's look at it. Oh, wow, it's hard to figure is, each one needs to be width 100% with a max width of 16. I wonder if I need to set that. Let's see. Width, what is it? 100%? Oh, that's already set. Let's do, what is it? Justify content? It's probably justify content start. What? Right? Flex start? Is that what it was? Yep. Okay. How to learn Flexbox in one easy stream. That's it. That's how you learn it. Oh my gosh. I think I have to set the width of the thing. Like, I think let's see. What if I get rid of this? The rest of the styling. I might have to, let's look. Oh, okay. Interesting. I have to give them a max width. Gap does not work on Safari. There's no gaps. You have to do this. This is one thing where Tailwind actually comes in handy. SpaceX, space between. Such a good. It'd be nice if they had like just a space, not just space X or Y, but you know. So yeah, this is cool. Like you would just do space X4, space Y4. Oops. And then this would be max width. What do they do? 16 rem? Is that what they did? Yes, max width. Oh, in each figure. So that's each one, right? Each thingy, max width. So I would do 16 is a little, yeah. Oh, they don't even, Tailwind doesn't even let you do that. Let's do 4XL. We'll see what happens. Let's look. It's still the same. I think the width of this actual let me display block border radius figure. Okay, it's really nothing really going on. Let's look at the inspector. Even though CodePen tries to help me, yeah. So yeah, display flex. Let's look at body. Start from the top. Margin? Oh, that's just margin. Okay, so it's nothing special really. Interesting. I think this needs to have a width. Oh, whoops. What did I just do? How did I close it? Oh, wow. You close it by oh, I did not think that through. I'll fix that. Okay. Let me see. I think this needs to be. Oh, I didn't. Oh, I took away the width. Overflow. Let's get overflow. Oh, I did. I probably need that still. Width is supposed to be 3/4 on this. Let's see. Oh, because I need to do it because that's the only where width is used. That's one downside to this situation. You can't just edit in the thing because you don't have. Ugh. Disgusting. I'm disgusted. Not really what I wanted. Yep. Not really what's going on. With flex call. What is this? Oh, this is me. This is flex call, right? And then, oh, this is flex. If I get rid of that, let's see. Nothing. A bunch of nothing. Flex wrap, flex call, max height, half. And then each of these should have a width on it. Max width 56. Okay. Max width 16 rem. Yeah, still not doing. I mean, it looks like it's going to happen. Like, oh, this Flexbox is gonna take off, but it's not. So yeah, width 100, which they should be, right? Each image should be. Oh, they don't. Width 100%. Okay, so that didn't make a difference. What about this one though? What if I do that? Oh, let me just do them all. I was max width 100. I thought it was jeez. Yeah, what did I do with this? How did I fix this? Did I do that? No. I did. What did I do to fix this? I forgot what I just did. I think I did. Oh, 16, right? Yeah, that's what it is. What's the lowest max width that they have? 20? That's fine. Extra small. He definitely spent a lot of time on these class names. I mean, I guess you're gonna be typing them in over and over again. So yeah, definitely not really what I want to see, right? Like it's not really doing what it says on the thing. It's not really doing it. What if I, oh, you know what is this? What if I change this to... My specialty's not this. It's definitely more databasey things. Oh, flexbox checked. Row. Value flexbox. But this is that one's okay, this one's flexbox too. Okay, just making sure. So flexbox, display flex, wrap, column, max height. What if I do what I did? Which is max height of, what did I say, half? I think it has to be absolute for this trick to work, which I'm okay. Let's see, let's do 50%. Yeah, can't be percentage based. The rendering engine can't figure it out. Just do what I want. Just do the thing. Do the thing that you're supposed to be doing. You know, just freaking do it. Just do the thing. Let's do 600. Let's do 200 VH. Oof. That's a very specific class. Let's do 400 and see what it looks like. Let's see. Definitely not, still not doing it. Oh wait, do I not have that as a thing? Yeah, I'm not sure. What if I use like a different key? Maybe it's K? No. Maybe it's apps CSS, and then I open it with an up arrow? No. Control? Option? Command? No. I should just read Vim stuff. Oh, it's just H. I see. I need max age 400. Max height 400. Let's just do max height medium. Let's just do, oh, you know what? That's what, it's just that. 200 VH. We'll do it. Let's see what it looks like. Just max H. It's the one, the only max H there is. The last one. Like, how is that? What? Like, what is going on with this? Max height 200. Okay, so that definitely does that. But turn it down. Oh, that's it. Because the width. Too much width. Right? Oh, we're getting a little closer. Oh, that's looking even better. Kind of. What is up with this? Like, why is this all the way floating over here? That doesn't make any sense. Let's do 100. Oh, dude, that's looking pretty good. Not bad. Yeah, but this is still, oh, you know what? It's probably because I don't want space X or space Y. I don't want space Y. Oh, I do want space Y. I don't want space X. Yes. This is perfect. 100 VH is it. Oh, no. Actually, you know what? Let's just try gap. Gap 4. Oh, didn't do anything. Interesting. Let's try gap 4. Because I had that in there before, right? For the CSS grid. But I think it, yeah. Let's do max. Let's change max height. We can get rid of that and that. And all of this. We don't need that anymore. And I don't need this either. Here, let's do 100. This is gonna be it. Oh no, I did need those. Yeah, let's actually, yeah, let's put that all the stuff back in. I don't know which one I'm not using. Okay. All right. Yes. Not. Oh, this guy. What? He's just dangling around. Like what? Oh, it's my oh, because I did VH. Yeah. I need to not do VH. I need to do let's just do 400 pixels. Yeah. Let's see. Should be okay. Yeah, let's do more than that. Let's do 800. That's weird. You can use VH. Oh, the gap is there. The gap is it's happening. That's cool. That's really cool. I mean, it's not like the prettiest thing ever, but I might just go to the stupid you know, those old school this is probably a hack around CSS where like what was it, Lightbox? Is that what the CSS? Let's see. Yeah. This is classic. Let's just go to, no, I don't want to go there. Yeah, this is just like this was it. It's like a little animation. This was the old style, like left and right. And it's funny because like it works perfect on the phone, but on the desktop it feels like so dumb. You're like, what? Why are you showing me one picture at a time? You know? Yeah. I mean, that was just the old bandwidth and everything. How do I get this? How do I get this to do what I want it to do? Just give me some space, man. Give me some space. You know what? I might just not do gap 4. Oh, I took it away and it didn't do anything. Okay, well, I don't have to worry about that anymore. I might just give this a little margin. Each one is gonna have like a margin, whatever, 4 or something. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, that's a big margin. Margin 2. So let's see. It's a little better. But yeah, that's this is it. Like that's it. Am I crazy? Let me do 9 at a time, and then just to sort of finesse it a little bit. Query. Is there like a limit? Limit page per page. Per page? I mean, not pages of a book, right? Limit's probably a better per page 9. Dude, it's good. This is it. This is the culmination of oh no. Dang it, I thought for sure it was gonna work. Yeah, it's still too wide. That 5th one was it, right? 600 px. Yeah, that's not bad. Just 2 rows. Yeah, well, kind of. I don't know. That's just depressing. I thought for sure that'd be it. But yeah, what if I just instead of with every time I change something, it's something else gets ruined. That's terrible. Do I need this max width? Yeah, I do need it. What if I get rid of the margin? Let's see. What if I did, instead of this, just did width auto, right? Let's try that and see if it works better. Oh, jeez, I have to give it a width. Yeah, what sucks about the percentage-based width is that when it's time for responsiveness, yeah, you're gonna get this. I don't mind this, I guess. I don't know. I mean, it falls apart when, yeah, I have to give this a max width. With 3/4 and then max width. Well, it looks good. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, probably sticking all together doesn't look terrible. They probably like right there. This is freaking such a hack. Oh, terrible. Anything to not I mean, it looks really good though. Like this is, yeah. If I mean, each image, like if I just gave each image just a little margin, 2px, yes, that's what I'm talking about. Just like a little 4px, just like, yeah, just a little bit, you know. And then yeah, I have to set max width to be kind of like locked there. That was weird. It knows what I want, but it doesn't want to do it. Let's do what's the width now? Computed. Width is 989. That is pretty close to the responsive one. 1024. Yeah. Let's just have to finagle it a little bit. Max width screen large. Keep that there. Let's see. Okay. And yeah, not bad. So if I just add a little margin to these guys, might be a little too big on the, yeah, that's, yeah. Let me do margin 2, margin Y2, my2, which that's why they should dash on that. Oof, that's not good. Let's get rid of the margin altogether. Yeah. Yep, so it just moves a little bit. Yeah. Let's just do it. Let's just set it straight to the max width that it should be. Right? Let's not mess around with this. Let's set it to I just bumped up the font size again. Just in case you couldn't see it before. Now you can. Max width modal. That's gonna be it. Jeez. This yeah, this is harder than I thought. I thought it was gonna be, for sure. I thought you know, just do some masonry. CSS grid, do your magic. And there was no magic. It was just sadness. Just sadness. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Although this it's still a grid on the thing. I mean, for responsiveness, I'll have to do something else. But for now, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. And I could do unsplash infinite scroll too. Assuming that I could load more pictures. Yeah, can't really scroll. Yeah, I guess I have to load more. Dang it. I thought for sure. Let me just go back to let me get rid of that. Get rid of this per page 9. Just load 10, see how terrible it looks. Hey, it doesn't look bad actually. Oh, I see. It's gonna be horizontal. I see what was going on. Yeah, definitely don't want it to flow that direction. Definitely want it to flow down. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. Oh, you know what? Okay, I know what I can do. Instead of scrolling, just a little refresh button. That's it. Unsplash images is probably choose an image. Choose a new OG image. Select an image from below. There we go. Yeah. This is actually part of the VStack. Interesting. Like, get rid of that. Put that outside of it. Yeah. Oh, OG looks bad. Choose a new image. It's so big. Choose a new image is huge. Can I do H2? That was huge. Like nothing else on that. Oh, there we go. Yeah. P is not good. That's not. I don't want that. Let's just do text. Do I have text? Let's see. Yes, I do. Yes. But it's still like weirdly away from it. Why is there any spacing at all? That's weird. Let's look at text. Oops. Tate? Let's look at text. Text gray. What's H2? H2 is nothing. There's like nothing going on. Like, how's that? Let's look. Yeah. So weird that there's any. Oh, it's just big, I guess. It's interesting. I can add a little bit. I can just say this is a VStack. This is a div, and this is part of the VStack, but it's more space. There. Well, that's probably as good as it's gonna get. I mean, I'll add a little button, which anytime I click anything, my modal close is called. So anyway, I updated htmx for that reason. Let's see, where else is it? There, hx get modal container. Okay, so anytime I modal container. modal container is everything, right? It's the whole screen. No wonder this thing is freaking. Okay, so anyway, originally I went to Twitter to htmx, and I was like, this is how I get release notes, even though it's probably in the GitHub. Big Sky Software. It's an interesting name. High up in the mountains. Yeah, that's funny. Big Sky is like they call Montana, United States. They call it the Big Sky country because the state is huge and there's like no lights. So Big Sky, and this guy is clearly from Montana, or at least he's living there currently. Let's look at oh, there are no release notes. A changelog or something? Oh, jeez. All right, well, maybe here. Examples, reference. I think it target maybe. Let's see. Okay, this is closest find. Ugh. Oh well, back to Twitter. Okay, let me see. Let's not get distracted. Keep away from the Twitter thirst traps. I love Rails. There you go. Click ATX trigger. Only triggers if is true. The control key was pressed when the click occurred. So, oh, it has it here. Okay. Trigger filters, trigger modifiers. So when I click when I click anything that isn't the container, okay, so this is all modal. So I have to say, that's the problem with this modal situation. You can't click control key. Here's an example. You may also, by using square brackets after the event name and closing a JavaScript. Oh, you know what I have to do? Instead of modal container, I have to put this outside. I have to say not, right? Not in there. Can't be in there. Let's see. It's gonna be ruined. Oh, you know what? Not terrible. Same, right? Same thing. Let's see if I click it. Yeah, sweet. Doesn't go away. Oh, perfect. So I need to solve that problem. So now I can click a button in here, right? I'm clicking. And then it'll just give you a bunch of new ones. This is the best UI programming that anyone has ever seen. Okay, this is intense. You guys aren't ready for it, guys and girls, not ready for it. All right. So getting this into a grid, that's the stream. That's it. Like, that was the goal, and there was some bonus, right? Not only that, but this grid looks incredible, and at the same time, now you can click inside of it, which you couldn't before, and you click away, and the modal goes away. Incredible. That's gonna be it. That's all there is. So that's it for the stream. Yeah, next stream, it's probably gonna be me. What's it gonna be? It's gonna be this again, and you'll actually be able to click these, and I'm just gonna grab the because I'm like kind of throwing away a bunch of stuff from the JSON, but I'm gonna grab a few things. I'm gonna grab the description. I'm gonna grab maybe the number of likes, right? Maybe that'll encourage people to click a different one. No, that's dumb. Just pick the picture you want. And then I'm gonna get the name of the photographer, and I'm gonna give them credit where credit is due, and I'm gonna put that on there, and I'm gonna say like by whoever, right? Like right here. And then you're gonna be able to click this, and it's going to save the hot link to this. It's going to save this. And that's going to be it. It's going to save to the form, this form here, right here. It's going to show right here. And then you're going to click this and you're going to get your shortened URL. And the meta tag URL shortener project will be completed. And that's that. That's that. Submit it to Product Hunt. Actually, maybe I'll submit it to Product Hunt on the stream, just at night, because no one cares. So just submit it whenever, and then just get like 2 upvotes, and then that's that. Instead of waiting till like midnight to do it, we're just gonna freaking put it on there. I guess, yeah. So one stream, so the next stream is gonna be that, basically finishing this URL shortener. The next stream is gonna be coming up with like polishing, I guess, like getting the domain. I don't know what else. What else is there? Getting the domain. Coming up with a logo. Coming up with like a product hunt situation. Like a little description. Maybe I'll just do it. So next stream, finishing. The stream after that, logo and a little bit of polish. Maybe. I mean, it's still pretty ugly. And then product hunt. Product hunt it is. So what is that? What does that mean? A week? Just like how many hours? I don't even know. I don't know. But then after that, I'm gonna get back to my other project, which I kind of completed a little bit, the roadmap thing. But after seeing Canny, I was kind of like, wow. And there was another one too that was I should just make mine free. Why charge, right? Why charge any money? It doesn't cost much to host it. This is insanity. $50 a month. Yeah. Or I should try to like one stream. I should stream, and instead of programming, I should try to get leads and stuff. I should just make a thing that like a little CRM, and then I should just DM people on Twitter, and then hey, would you pay for this thing that I'm making? I'm thinking I like this audit logs, which is not like a sexy thing, but you definitely need it if you're gonna do compliance stuff as an enterprise company. So, see, it says security and compliance. So yeah, it's definitely not something at the top of your mind, but when it comes time to do like a security audit, as like a bigger company, you definitely want that audit logs. So I was thinking, is this a good thing? Is this a good project for me to do? I don't know. We have to de-risk it, right? You de-risk by finding a channel, or hopefully 3, of a stream of steady people coming to the website and going, hey, I need audit logs, right? So I was thinking the 3 channels that I would choose, this is like 4 streams from now, or 5, I don't know. Yeah, you've never seen anyone try to start a startup on here. Actually, you probably have. But yeah, I was gonna do cold email, right? That's the classic one that I think is good. That should always be used when you're trying to sell stuff. Because a cold email, which I have to come up with like probably 10, maybe 100 people to email. And then number 2 would be this idea, now that I'm thinking about it, like paper trail exists. I'm sure Laravel, let's see, Laravel audit log. Yeah, allows you to record changes to models. Yeah, that's why auditing. Yeah, let's see, model setup, getting audits. Oh, it doesn't actually give you like a UI though. Yeah, I mean, you know, it could be something. I don't know. I mean, how much are they selling it for? Let's see. Pricing. Oh, but they do more than just audit logs. Start for free and pays you all capabilities. 30 tenants. Notification center, roles and oh, this is like a SaaS. Oh yeah, there it is. This is exactly enhance your SaaS. I wonder how much they're making. Raises 5 million in seed to accelerate and authentication with just 3 lines of code. See, this freaking SaaS as a service. It's exactly. I mean, what is this a good niche? I don't even know. So anyway, I've done this stuff like where I do like dashboards and reporting and stuff. So yeah, I was thinking I'd do that. I don't know. Whatever. We'll see. Yeah, but you gotta de-risk it. So yeah, the first channel, 3 channels, right? That's what the if you guys have ever read this book, or girls, whoever, what is it? Traction. Okay, yeah, there it is. I already talked about this before. But yeah, so this is I have to read this again, but I'm thinking about getting the audiobook, but it's on my thing. So yeah, they basically tell you, they break it down into like 19 different channels, right? 19 channels. So like they have cold email on there, social media. They've got TV advertising, billboards. They've got like stunts, like you do stupid stuff to get PR. They even talk about PR too. So there's like a bunch of them. And then you sort of have to choose like which one is going to work for you and your business. And so, so yeah, Cole, I would check for a SaaS as a service, which I guess is a thing. Let's see, SaaS as a service. Yeah, it's not really. Yeah, because it's really meta, right? SaaS as a service. SaaS. Yeah, let's see. Front egg alternatives. Okay, so there's something. I don't know what it's front egg, right? Front egg. Yeah, that's weird. It seems to be really new. Can't really. Maybe it's on Product Hunt. Maybe we can find. Let me see. Front egg. I don't know. It seems like a lot, though. Honestly, I should probably just start a newsletter, or I should stream. Right? Just do streaming. Let's see, front ends. Zeppelin. Do all of them, right? Yeah. Like this guy, this freaking guy. What was his name? Kevin something? No, it was like Kevin Conti. Is that what it is? Oh, that is not it. Let's see. Kevin Conti. There. Kev Conti. Look at this guy. You know what he looks like? He looks like who's that old guy who used to do like what was it, like self-help stuff, and he was like a huge dude. Dang, what was his name? Jeez. Anyway, so yeah, this guy came up with softwareideas.io, and it's just a newsletter. Look at this. It's freaking what is this? This is from Undraw. this illustration. It doesn't even matter, right? It doesn't matter. It's the content. Hand-picked, validated SaaS ideas delivered straight to your inbox. It's almost like making a newsletter about SaaS is better than actually making an app, right? It's almost like a weird pyramid scheme where like this dude's making $6K a month with this newsletter, and he doesn't actually have a software as a service. He didn't. This is memberful. This everything is a SaaS, but he doesn't do it himself. Like it's almost like there's more opportunity in like infotainment or like information entertainment, like the combination, than there is like making stuff, right? I mean, yeah, you have to think about this. You know, I have to think about it. Anyway, that was a weird tangent. All right. Anyway, so yeah, I was gonna try to do it, right? I was gonna try to take that thing. Like he actually did this. He did cold email Probably Twitter DMs, which is almost like cold email. So I don't know if you call it a second channel, but I tried both of those, and then he did some content marketing for. Well, okay, so this is what I like. It's a chicken and the egg problem. How do you find who to email or direct message? The first thing you do is you make content, and you use that to like lure people in. So you see like where it gets shared the most. So he wrote this blog on software ideas, right? Before he even did it, before he even wrote a newsletter, which is like, I mean, a newsletter is not that much effort, but he didn't even want to spend any time at all doing anything. So he wrote this newsletter, and he didn't write he wrote this blog, and the blog was shared most on indie hackers. So we like leaned into indie hackers. He wrote another blog, and it said, oh, you can pre-order my email newsletter. You can pre-order it. And he got $190 of pre-orders for a newsletter. So yeah, that's one thing which I don't like the audit log idea, is because people will pay you money when they think they can make more money from you. That's pretty much like, as I get older, the only thing I want to spend money on is things that will make me more money. Like, I hate getting something like this sweater, and I mean, this makes me warm, but, or this beanie, or this Apple Watch. Like, it's, yeah, I just want to get, just make my money, make more money. Anyway, look, I don't know. This turned into like a weird thing. I promise I program on the stream. All right, so that's the stream, even though it was supposed to be over like 20 minutes ago. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya later. If I could close this thing. Oh, all right. We'll see you later.